Hello everybody, this is Joy Ho. Today I will show you how you can make a candlestick for four. And I will show you what you will need. Glass, I chose this 3 star because it's more like 4, purple and green. Like 3 base of candle. I have the vanilla scented potpourri. So I have 1 candle, 6,000 glue. I have my scented apple mint. I will start with the green one. I will open this one right here, my sister's glue, and I will put some underneath on this one too. I'm gonna put it right here. While this one is glowing, I'm gonna pour this. I'm gonna pour it inside here. Because you don't cover it up, it gets dry easily. You can cover it up. Then I'm gonna apply it on top over here. Make sure it's at the center. Give me a few minutes, I will come back to show you when it's dry. Now I'm going to decorate it. I'll choose this candle, scented one. Okay. Put it right here. Put some over here so that your house can smell good. Already smelling already. This way it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? You can put anything you want on it, but right now I'm just kind of leave it plain. This will go for the bathroom, for the doorway. You can use it for different. Also, you can use it for a gift. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe. Bye.